What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to obviously your update on Cyber. I should have probably made an update yesterday afternoon while it was going ballistic, but I was not home, so I couldn't. I actually have some funny stories about Cyber, but we'll talk about it. We'll talk about what happened because I do think the pump is over now. We'll talk about what happened, we'll talk about what's going to happen from here, and just in general, how to potentially still make some money off of it, at least in my opinion. So that's what we'll do. Before we dive into that, I briefly do want to mention that I have my own premium trading group, in which I just shared my trades on Cyber, which I've taken. But apart from that, I just share all of my trades in there. Also my longer term investments. There's a chat room full of traders, and my trading guide is in there. So a lot of potential, a lot of value. If you're interested in that, check it out via the links down in the description. But for now, on to Cyber. So what happened with Cyber is clear manipulation. All right. Now, could you have expected this manipulation? Probably a little bit. All right. Usually these Binance Launchpad / Launchpool projects, some of them actually do this. It has happened before. And then apart from that, there's also this entity in crypto called DWF Labs, and they actually bought quite a lot of Cyber not too long ago. And they sold a lot as well yesterday, or the last 24/48 hours. So they bought it, so that was also an indication of the potential of something like this. For now, it's I do think it's over, all right? It was just a big manipulated rally. Like, you could have also seen it from the volume. The volume was absolutely ridiculous. Still, right now, it's at around 1.16 billion. It's still going up, but right now it's mainly due to the selling. So it was manipulated. Usually, if you get a spike down like this and another spike down like this, it is over. So that's also what I think. Cyber will probably still be retesting some levels around 10.5 and like 11.5. And that's also, by the way, where I took the trade from, just so you know. Here you can see that it retested the 50 EMA plus the 236 fib, which is usually what happens when a manipulated crypto starts falling. It retests the 236 fib. And right now, I think Cyber is just going to be bearish. There's some support at the current levels, around $9, which might still provide a spike up to like 11.5, 12.5 is also possible. But overall, the direction is down. All right, so right now, after getting this little bit of a bearish retest, I would say it's more likely will drop down to like 8.5 and $8 down here. From there, I still expect some sort of support. I still expect some sort of support from 7.5. So from there, those are all areas where you could still take some sort of a short trade after a spike up, I would say. But at some point of time, like ultimately 7.5 is the price target for now, and 7.5 could actually hold us for some time. But ultimately, I think Cyber will also break down below 7.5 and drop down towards levels around 5.5 and $5, and ultimately back down to the same old levels where we were at. The same happened really with ID. ID was also one of those, was a launchpad project, rallied a lot right here, even more than Cyber did. Or is that true? I'm not sure. Maybe the same. But rallied a lot, and then it just started dropping and kept dropping. All right, so that's also what I expect from Cyber. So ultimately, you could get a very, very good trade out of this. But for now, it's still very volatile. Like I said, for now, we can actually still expect some spikes up. Might even spike up towards like 13.5. Probably not though, but still could happen. But yeah, those are my thoughts, and that's my analysis on Cyber now. So if you do have any questions about anything, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care, and bye.